In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can increase text size on Samsung. You can simply zoom to any size of text on your phone in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down onto the option of display. On the display page, you will have to scroll down onto the option of font size and style. Increase your text size by moving this button towards your right, then reduce the size of your text by moving towards your left. You can also increase your screen size, just get back and select screen zoom. Still move toward your right to increase and towards your left to reduce. That's how easy it is to increase text size on your Samsung phone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.